Nera malaka nyam we kaya biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel kajan gwasme bana roja dana chalat ka kwingwani bana jalinkel roja me be rewich ka South Sudan gwasme sha pek ngwani tin kon nin chuch rewich ka South Sudan sha jalat ko do dana chuch ka ngum nong choch ka ngu majako chicken let chicken ga jeka jamo rewich ka South Sudan she nating one long chicken riponi tung one chicken kalat ko do badan chuch ngwen South Sudan kaja do badan chicken let chicken je kaja agenda na ba nung ya gwasame ka do badan chaje nung kaja nating content rai wi ka South Sudan nating content let tika pindian kinating content wi ka South Sudan ko do badan wi kaja are ler kana me shalare wonene ngweni rewich ka South Sudan ngwendi jen bangwan widi 10% ki ngwendi jen bangwan widi 10 wi kurka tele ka let rewich ka South Sudan min lar ka jeno 95% ke jobless ka ngweni a chengna men tika qualification to wrong ki chika gwar 190% de cheremi ne dial cheremi ngwen dial tam mi chaw 90% lo no kan riwne na dial rewich ka South Sudan tele ka let a chengila tokba ke certificate du ke diploma du kila toke degree kila toke master ka ngude jinwet telat me jegere we ka South Sudan ajen chagular gwaseme 90% tele ka let te jeken ka re wech ka South Sudan 95% ka ngwen ke jemongan we de ko kurka munyon jeno 5% karo die wi ko kurka ken kula te kalado neme amishalat re wech ka South Sudan la employment rate ka ngwen won jen ka won yam kanatiti wa 60% wa chiga tok dul gor ka ngwen South Sudan nyu de gwano shira miri unen to wan chiga gwar dundo telekalet telekalet ngwen man ngwen wuni ano kanatiti te chitok te ka college chiga tok degree ni kanten kono te high school tente ka certificate ni kien ano kan kuumɛ ja gorno ba ka moy kalat gwasame chakula do nene netin kon tin kula dier ka do brande ngwane de kan ladde kan je kaja awasha uni kenamen take a project misha kamrar kimi ba kamrar a gender and youth cluster ke funding ke youth by European UN Development Agency UNDP ko ba do ba dana chingwene chicken let chicken je ka jare wi ka South Sudan be ja kula jako ba je lalet ki be ngwane dudien bagalat relat lo misha project me lat kana me misha ogos de ngwane to ngwande ka laslet ano de ngwane to chokujen bangon de wi ka kurka minyo da no jen entire population ngwane di alre wi ka South Sudan ano de ka telet despite oken chika to ka diploma ni tika certificate ne tika degree ni dulo ngoda chaka mu kelet na mo ekel jen kwala goro no ba project ba jari aleka madong de right ka kwi ngwane ko de ka jako de kala de kan gajek David Dow executive director in the office of vice president Nyandeng ajen mukta jen tin ideality ala ngwan tika pinde mone shela do nene again, 73% of South Sudan population is under the age of 30 years. Again, baro with the diok ko kurka ka South Sudan ala pik yi South Sudan dial. Again, ni tungwan kan long kan teken take a pin runi jandang diok. Ala runi jandang diok lo chicken won yam ko jandiok won yam population di ni jana jandiok be pin ala population jandiok rikela won yam tong wa kui population dien population keliu mishal 73% jen baru de wi kurka la population South Sudan keliu du ngwen munyo de gwano ngwani akene kon tin ngwane kenre wi ka South Sudan wa tandien wa along kamen ngwan menten chingwan wuniten ngwan menten akane de konan ngwan ka ne te konti la ngwene jana nena jana 95% ke jobless la tele kalat awa Mr. Dow ke David Dow, executive director in the office of vice president Nyandeng wajen kana do badanen che data research me ke ta dana che data ne ke che kolla ka je wa kana la long dungno men che la jene 95% kan wane tele kalat rewi ka South Sudan ajane ka 60% ke ne ti to ka college te ka college degree te ka diplomas te ka certificate ne awewa neme ajena dan en chalat baje kwen ya gwasa me ka do dan la ka jen go ngum tele lat ka je baje kwen ka to English mi jirami jidit kan kononiam ka dong shi gorno bilin bishu jen bram bir nam bilin ka to English bishu do tan gwasa mo chuje pero jeno be subscribe gwaya. An official has revealed that 95% of South Sudanese youth remain unemployed, although 60% of them have college degree and high school certificates, as the government launched Women and Youth Empowerment Initiative. The Women and Youth Leadership Project is being implemented by the Gender and Youth Cluster with funding from UN Development Agency or UNDP to address unemployment. David Dow, executive director in the office of Vice President Nyandeng, pointed out that around 73% of South Sudanese population is under the age of 30 years, with over half of that women. He further said within the youth demographic, 95% are jobless. Mr. David Dow did not disclose the source of his data, and it is not clear if the figure is only for those without formal employment. This is the context where the Vice President initiated a pay internship program. It is a program that is going to give young people the opportunity to participate in the workforce. Mr. David Dow said the program, in which the first cohort of 60 beneficiaries, including 38 women, have enrolled in an entrepreneurship or an internship program, will give youth a chance to join the country workforce. It is a program that will give young people the opportunity to participate in the work market. Those who have had the opportunity to obtain college degree but they have not been able to find job from the day they walk out of the university. He said. It will address the issue of unemployment among the young South Sudanese industry and labor market required for professional experience is one of the benefits the young people who will participate in this program will obtain. Ms. Atian Sudan, representative of the young people who is also a graduate from the Catholic University of South Sudan, commended the government for initiating the program. Atian revealed that this program gave them the opportunity to overcome gender prejudice and talk about women issues. South Sudan indeed faced significant challenges. These challenges include negative social norms that have historically hindered the progress of women. Young girls are made to believe that at tender age, a Prince Charming is coming to marry them. Then they do not have to dream, and even if they make it to his office, they are only good enough to make tea and coffee for their bosses. But this program gave us the young women an opportunity to discuss, an opportunity to see sick as women and talk about the issue that face us as women. It is women fighting for the right of women. Addressing the event, Vice President Nyandeng encouraged the young people to seize the opportunity to build their ability. She revealed that the initiation is about preparing young people to take their places in the workforce. The initiative is not just about internship, it is about preparing you to take your place in the workforce, Nyandeng said. These young people are capable, talented, and ready. Invest in them and you will be investing in the future of South Sudan. This is just the beginning, and I hope that together we can expand this initiative to reach even more young people. Jen message dana goro de nywa yakel 90% ke jobless ke youth re wika South Sudan kwal goro jen wo ba ke nyoke empower ke dom ma de kan la de kan je ke project ba la de wa ba ja fan UNDP ki UN Development Agency ka do dana de ne ko la ngene de kan let de kan je ke jare wika South Sudan biataman.